The Indian Foreign Ministry has said that the US Navy's 7th Fleet was continuously monitored during its course from the Persian Gulf towards the Strait of Malacca, and that the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea does not authorize other countries to carry out military exercises or maneuvers using warships in exclusive economic zone without the consent of the coastal country. Former Deputy National Security Advisor has said that this move by the US Navy has the potential of disturbing the quadrilateral arrangement. After a report by the French news website Mediapart, the Congress General Secretary and Chief Spokesperson has demanded an independent investigation into the Rafale middleman matter, and he alleged that the corruption had led to a loss of 21,075 crore rupees to the country. He also questioned the removal of mandatory anti-corruption clauses in the Rafale deal, despite the Defense Ministry's insistence on including those clauses in the intergovernmental agreement in July 2015. South Korea has unveiled the prototype of its KF-21 fighter jet yesterday, that will be powered by 2 American F-414 engines, similar to initial variants of India's upcoming AMCA fighter jet. While the KF-21 and AMCA will have the same maximum takeoff weight of 25,000 kilograms, but the AMCA will have a higher maximum speed of Mach 2.15 as compared to Mach 1.8 of the Korean KF-21. While both the fighter jets have a similar layout, but the AMCA is being designed with an internal weapons bay, and will also incorporate 6th-generation technologies and an unmanned version in the future. The Aeronautical Development Agency had recently issued a tender to manufacture assembly inspection of high-speed force moment wind tunnel full-scale model of the AMCA fighter jet in February 2021, that will be used for the purpose of establishing and validating aerodynamic performance predictions at transonic Mach numbers between Mach 0.8 to Mach 1.3. The full-scale model will undergo radar cross-section testing at the DRDO's Orange Test Facility by early 2022. The Indian Navy had issued a request for information in 2020 for the development of an indigenous 500 kWh high-capacity lithium-ion battery system for future submarines, and the Navy has recently issued request for information for the development of 6 units of 5 MW electric propulsion motor that will also be used on future submarines, and both these requests for information points towards Project-76 of the Indian Navy, under which 6 to 12 conventional submarines will be locally designed and manufactured in India, and it looks like the Indian Navy has started work on putting together some of the key technologies that are required. The Biden administration has placed 7 Chinese firms and government labs under US export controls due to their links with the Chinese army and their involvement to help China build supercomputers that can help to develop advanced military systems like hypersonic vehicles. The listing of these Chinese firms means that they cannot use US origin technology without a Commerce Department license, which is very difficult to obtain from the US government.